Alright, we got a foreigner in the garage today. We're going to be doing a PCV valve on this thing, and since there's no info on YouTube on how to do this, I'm going to film this one today we're doing. So I got rid of this shitty fucking cover. It's right there. Originally I thought it was right there, but just follow these tubes and right off the valve cover like most cars. The only thing we noticed is that instead of a wrench, which I originally thought I could get on there, which is a 13/16, we have to get a frickin' socket in there because the frickin' valve cover's in the way. So just gotta pull this hose off. There's our 13/16 socket with a 1/2 inch ratchet we're gonna be using for this job. There we go. There's your part number if any of you guys need. Standard Motor Products or Interim Motor.
Genuine import parts. Screw it on.
Yeah, fucking go in.
Torque it to spec.
It's probably something stupid like 12 Newton meters or something like that.
Oh.
Just go.
Or 10 inch-pounds.
Reattach the hose. Put your clamp back on.
Just chuck it on there.
Piece of junk injection.
Grand China injection.
Oh.
Wait, that's D. Never mind, that's C.
You idiot!